Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope you're having a great week so far. Today is Tuesday, May the 27th of 2025. We have made it to day number 48 of this My Legion Secret ClickBank challenge. All right, guys. Now, if you guys have no idea what we're doing, we are using a service called My Legion Secret System. We're taking an offer from ClickBank, which is a network marketing platform that you can go to and grab offers. We're taking a business opportunity offer and we're sending it, we're combining it with the mileage and secret traffic. And we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income from doing that. Okay. So if you guys, are new to this video, please go back to these previous videos, day number one, okay, and kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. That way you can kind of know what we're doing at day 48. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the mileage and secret system. I'm going to let you know what it's all about. Then also I'm going to talk about ClickBank and what that is, and just show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. Okay. And what we're doing, guys, in this video series, if you're new to this video, okay, we are shooting a 365-day challenge. All right. That 365-day challenge, we're going to come in every single day. We're going to shoot videos. We're going to talk about how to send out emails, and then we're going to talk about the results from the previous day. And so you guys kind of can see the progress. Okay. Now, as we get further along in this series, okay, in this 365 days, we're only on day number 48, so we have a long way to go, guys. The further we get in climbing that ladder, the more results and things that you're going to see. Okay. But right now it's very detrimental that you pay attention to kind of what's going on right now. So you can kind of see the, periods on where you're going to make money and where you're not going to make money. Okay. So this is not something that you make money with every single day starting out. Okay. So that's why I was telling you guys, go back into the beginning of this video series. And now you can kind of see kind of how we're climbing and how, these cells are starting to get a little bit closer together with each other. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop right into it, guys. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is a email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day, this is your back office. Every single day when you come into your back office, you're going to see 100 or 200 brand new leads every single day. Okay. These are brand new people that never seen your email before, people that you have no idea who they are. They have no idea who you are. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to this traffic. Okay. Now this traffic is business opportunity traffic. Okay. These people are looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. So it's our job as, like I said, affiliate marketers to go out, find business opportunity offers, whether that be from ClickBank. You got Warrior Plus, you have, JV Zoo. You have, let's see, there's tons of different Max Bounty. There's tons of CPA networks that you can go to and find business opportunity offers. Create an email, whether that be from the offer or from the vendor, or you can go to ChatGPT, create your own email, and then put that link into your email and send it to this traffic. You're going to get results. Okay, it's just simple as that, guys. All right. So just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted multiple offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the system. All right. So this is it. This is what your back office would look like. I did leave a link below this video. So if you go to this video and you go down here to the description, you're going to see this link right here. This is going to be the link that you're going to use to go ahead and get signed up, guys. All right. So go ahead and get signed up today. It's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month for each and every month. Okay. Now, each and every month, what you're going to get in return is thousands of people coming onto your list. Okay. That you're going to be able to build. That's going to be your specific list. Okay. That nobody else has. So you're going to be able to send out those emails every single day, one every 24 hours. Okay. You're going to be able to send out an email and be able to get in front of people that are interested, possibly interested in your offer. Okay. So this is what your back office is going to look like. Okay. You have the your home page here, kind of giving you an overview of everything. And your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out. Maybe look a little different from mine. Okay. And then you also have my leads, kind of show you, the leads that are coming in every day. Today is May the 27th. I did get a fresh 100 leads. Now, the difference between if you get 100 or 200 is however many accounts that you have. Okay. You can get multiple accounts with this. It's very easy to do, guys. Get signed up and I'll show you how to get multiple accounts. Okay. So, master email swipes. These are additional email swipes that you guys can go purchase. Okay. And it does cost $30. Now, these are high converting emails written by a 7-figure marketer. You can try out these emails to see if you like them or not. I've already purchased them before, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to use the free email swipes from the vendor, from the offer that we're promoting on ClickBank. Okay. They have a set of free emails that we can use and they convert really well. Okay. So we're just going to use those. This is the mailing system. This is where you're going to go do all your work at. Okay. This is where you're going to go send out emails at in your back office. Okay. So your back office is going to look like mine. So all you would have to do is click on the emails that you have started to receive. Okay. Now this email that we're sending is going to go over to 53,000 people. So we're going to load it up and we send out one email. Now I've already sent out my email today, guys, just to save time for this video. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay. So if we go over here to this offer, we're promoting an offer called Live Chat Jobs, which is ran by a social sales rep. It's an offer on ClickBank. Okay, that we're promoting. Okay, which is ClickBank right here. There's an offer in the e-business e-marketing. Okay, which is called Live Chat Jobs. All right, and this is it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the free email swipes from from these folks here. So you just click on email swipes. It's going to take us over here to the emails and we're going to just go through all 20 emails. I believe there's 20 of them here. And then after you get to 20, you're just going to go back to one and then just go to 20 all over again. Now, once you go through these a couple times, what you could do is you can take this email and go over to ChatGPT and have ChatGPT rewrite this email. Excuse me. You can have them rewrite this email into a shorter, high converting email, guys, and that will give you a perfect email to send out to this list. That way, you can kind of mix it up a little bit. Okay. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to just go through these emails and I'm just showing you how easy it is. So the subject line and body. So when you come over here to the mailing system, you got subject line and you have body, right? This is the body right here. Okay. So usually what we're going to do is super easy. If you sent out an email in Gmail or Yahoo, whatever your account is, if you sent that out, this is it, guys. This is very easy to do. So you click on that and you want to come back over here to the mailing system, click on Control V, paste that in there like that. You want to come down here to your email, make sure you click on perfect timing. And then you want to come back here to the vendor, to the offer and go ahead and grab this body. Okay. Hello, name, whatever controls. Well, they didn't grab it for me, so let's go ahead and grab that again. Okay, Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. Control A and Control V. Super easy, super quick too, guys. And either put in your name or management, whichever one you guys want to use. Okay. And then let's go ahead and go up here to where it says first name. Let's go ahead and grab this first name right here. Control C. And then we want to come back here. All right. And then we want to Control V, right? Super easy, guys. All right. So let's go here, Control V. That way we're addressing our prospect by their first name. So we're saying like, hello, Jermaine, hello, John, whatever your name is, right? Are you interested in an opportunity? Okay. Yada, yada. Okay. And then at the bottom, it has our name or management, whichever one. And then we're looking for a bold text or a call to action button. So if it says like apply now, click here, get started now, whatever, you want to highlight that. Okay. So this click here button, this click here, we want to turn that into a clickable link. So I just want to highlight all of this. Okay. And I want to turn this into a clickable link. Okay. That way our prospect, when they're reading the email, when they get down to the bottom, they know where to click at. Okay. If it says click here, there's going to be a button that they can click here on. So let's go ahead and go click on this link tab. Now, underneath every email, okay, that's in this offer here, there's going to be an affiliate link here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link, and right here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, we're going to put in your affiliate ID. That way you get the commission, okay? So that's very important that we take this out and we put in our ClickBank affiliate ID, okay? So let's go ahead and just copy this, okay? So let's go Control C, come back over here to the mailing system and Control V. Boom, super easy. Let's go ahead and take this out right here. And we want to either put in, you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? Not mine, but yours, right? Click on OK. And what that does, it turns that into a clickable link, guys. Look, okay? And let's go ahead and make this a little bigger. I like to make it 16 or 18, okay? And that way, look at this. This looks like a really good email. Okay. So it's hello, and it's very easy to read. Okay. And then when our prospect comes down here, when they read this email, okay, about, starting to work and earn income at home from home, with this opportunity, they're going to be able to click here. It's going to take them to our personalized affiliate page. That affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to do anything. All we have to do, we're just the middleman. All we got to do is get our prospect from point A to point B. Okay. So we create the email we entice them. Okay. And then we give them a call to action to where that there's a clickable link for somewhere for them to go to. So if it says click here, most people are going to click on that link. It's going to take them to our landing page. Our landing page is going to give them the opportunity, and it's going to tell them all. It's going to give a real thorough job description on what they're going to be doing. Okay. And then once that prospect signs up, they're going to either sign up. Okay, and then they're going to purchase the program, and they're going to start working and making money. All right. Which is pretty awesome. Okay. Now this offer right here, guys, I can tell you the reason why I'm promoting this offer, because it has a $28 rebill, and then we get to keep $20 of that every single month. Okay. So every single month, this person is going to get billed for this program. Okay. These folks here at the social sales rep, they're going to get billed for the program, and we're just going to stack those $20 payments every single month. Okay. And we're going to get multiple people signing up, and we're going to get multiple $20 payments every single day. Okay. And that's the whole goal here, is to get, or every single month, is to get these payments, these multiple payments stacking up every month. So that way it can average on top of us. Let me just show you real quick about this offer real quick. Let me take you over to ClickBank. Let's go ahead and click on your affiliate ID. It's going to take us to another location. Let's go and go to the marketplace. Now, this offer right here, guys, let me show you. Let me show you the offer itself. Okay. This is it. Live chat jobs. They sign up for a free trial. Okay. For $1. Okay. We get paid in 3 days. So after they sign up for this trial, every 3 days, okay, well, every time somebody signs up for the trial, every 3 days, you're going to earn a commission from a new trial sign up. Okay. So if we get, a couple during the week, on that third day, they're going to get billed for the program, and we're going to earn our $20. Not only are we going to earn the $20, that person is going to get billed the same day the next month. Okay. So whatever day they signed up on, they're going to get billed the next month on the same day. Okay. And what that does is just gets people signing up. Gets people rebilling every single month. So we're stacking those $20 payments on top of each other. Okay. And then that what gives us those $40 days, the $60 days, the $80 days, the $100 days. Okay. That's what we're looking for, guys. And that's what we're doing. We're going to scale this thing. Okay. And we're going to send out emails every single day. Right now, since we're early in the strategy that we're using, okay, the series, okay, the challenge, right? Since we're early in it, we're only on day number 48. We have a while to go, guys. But once we get to that third month, that fourth month, we're going to be cranking, okay? Because right now, as you can see, if you watch this first 30 days, we earned income in the first 30 days. Okay. We're earning income in the second 30 days, and we're starting to see rebuilds coming from the first 30 days. All right. So if you guys have not been following along, go back and watch these videos. I just can't say it anymore. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. You will come down here. It's either going to say preview or send now. And what we're going to want to do is go ahead and click on preview. We're going to preview the ad. And then once we preview, we're going to click on this link, make sure it works. Okay. Make sure it goes to your page. And then once we do that, we're going to come back here and click on send. Okay. Send now. That's it. That's how you send out an email. It's just that easy. Okay, guys. And if you have any issues, just rewatch this video. Okay, let's go ahead and go and talk about the results from yesterday and if we got any traffic or anything at all. Okay, so today is May the 27th. We sent out an email last night. We did get over 1,000 hops. Okay, last night. I mean today, okay, and then we got over 625 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses coming to our page, okay. Right here, we didn't get any order form impressions. We didn't get any sales today, and then no rebuilds, okay. Now, if I'm not sure if you watched the video yesterday. Yesterday, this was full. Okay, we got order form impressions, we got a sale yesterday, and we got a rebuild from a few days ago from what we sent out. Right, so nothing today, which is no biggie. Okay. Like I said, we're still early in the process and we are still kind of climbing on this thing. Okay. But the interesting thing that we are going to be looking at is this rebuild that we got yesterday. That's going to be coming within the next couple of days. Okay, so we're going to be looking for that on top of any rebuilds from last month that's around this time. We're going to be looking for that next bill to come in. So I'm anticipating this week sometime we're going to have some kind of $40 day or something like that coming up, guys. So just be on the lookout for that. And just what we want to do, really, the most important thing is to get initial free trials every single day. Okay, that is our whole goal with this thing is to get free trial signups every single day. Okay, that way we always have someone signing up every few days, and then also we have a rebuild coming in every day. Okay, we want to map those out to where all that's going to come together and we're going to be able to have those 60 to $100 days, okay, coming up in the near future. Okay, but that's it, guys. This is the end of the video. I wanted to just only show you results and how to do stuff. Okay, I showed you how to send out an email. If you guys want to get started, click the like button, okay, on this video if you can for me. It kind of helps the algorithm. It helps, get this stuff out here to other people that are looking for ways to earn income online. And then also subscribe to this channel so you can kind of see future videos and kind of follow along with this video series. It's going to get good. It's going to get interesting. I got some cool stuff that I'm going to be showing you during this whole journey, okay, that we're on here. So I just wanted to come in and show you only results, show you how to do stuff, show you the results from yesterday. Unfortunately, we didn't get anything today, but that's no biggie. We did, score yesterday. We did had a pretty good day yesterday. And then tomorrow, I'm looking for either an initial sale, order form impressions, or some kind of rebuild or something tomorrow. Okay, so I'm hopeful that we'll see come back here tomorrow and kind of see more results. Okay, but follow me along, and I'm gonna meet you back here tomorrow, guys, at the same time, same place. Okay, guys, peace.